Left line with the wind. Safety. Look out, look out. What's up with it, Rob? One time for the one time. Hey, y'all, that's Super Mike. Full tree, Mike.
Full tree, got it.
Mike, you can let any other people that's out here want their family to see the event. Let them know I'm live streaming it on Twitch at Lookout Racing. That way they can.
All right, folks. So check it out. This event is being streamed live on Twitch TV Lookout Racing channel. That's Twitch TV Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
Lookout Racing on Twitch TV is streaming live. Drivers, full tree.
Yeah.
Watch the lights.
Oh, here we go. God. Dang. Full pass for the win. Look, check this out. How old are you, mister?
I'm 11.
You 11. Did you know that if you see how he wrecked like that? Did you know that if you hit the wall, he'll win? You knew that? I just learned that. You ain't know that?
No.
I just learned it.
Plan B Racing Lane.
I'm putting you on game. Yeah, see, he ain't even know, man. Funky Town rules.
This ought to be interesting. Drivers, watch the lights. Doable.
Ooh. Right lane with a full pass and a late reaction.
And that wasn't a street outlaw.
Oh, that was? No. Oh, okay. I thought that got out. Yes.
All right.
Full tree.
Full tree. She ready, y'all. Let me see her little burnout. Okay, okay.
I'm going to run a single in that outlaw car. Instant green. Watch the lights.
Okay. Hold it, hold it. Oh, God, that thing started making noise. God, dang. He ain't got no brakes. All that speed, no brakes. Gotta get some weird wildwood or some bird brakes, man, with the 6 pistons on it.
Yes.
Yeah, this goddamn ain't charged a rule, man.
Anyone else need a full tree?
You hit the wall, you lose. Tobacco. You hit the wall, you lose. In my Funky Town voice.
25 more minutes, guys.
I don't care if you betting on the side, the top, or the bottom. Okay.
There we go.
We got 2 young girls up here. Oh, they both cut a good light. Oh, that's a good race. Left lane.
Pass.
Golly.
Nice reaction time.
The left lane working with some. I see you, little girl.
Florida.
She up there too. They both cut a good light. I thought they red lighted. Yeah, and she held her stuff down the line straight. Lay your number on the cabinet, baby.
Here we go. Whoops. I have you on full tree still. You want to go instant green, guys? Drivers, watch the lights.
Oh, golly. See,
it cost him had
here's
it been
too
a racing,
fast, man.
Make some small adjustments.
His car too
that
fast.
was a nice pull.
God.
At Crawler Innovations Lane, sir, you may want your time slip. Oh, okay.
And she ignored my call.
Okay, so now we have some options. You can't bring your own, but we have some carpet and some rubber out here. So we have 3 different options.
I know
for you
these
guys.
cars cost a lot of money.
Everyone must use what's available. We have a car on the track, the top end of the track.
You red lighted, you will lose it all.
Oh, you blew his gear. No problem. No problem. Thank you very much.
Why he keep? Oh, he trying to get the. He trying to get all he can get up out of there. I tried to tell him. Here we go.
Watch the lights.
Ooh. Right lane with a solid straight full pass. A good reaction left lane. Pretty uncontrollable. Pretty fast, but uncontrollable. Okay. Left lane with the short burnout. Is he gonna hook? Right lane has a little longer burnout. This guy's cold, so he should be timid. Should have a better reaction time. He's already twitching.
Instant green. Watch the lights.
Oh shit! God! Man, what kind of car? Damn! And you cost me all my money. Because some of them going so fast, flipping over. What's this? Stevie Fast, Marcus Burt.
Here we go. Oh.
Manly Stain. Appreciate the host, man.
Okay, it's still instant.
That's what I'm talking about.
Watch the lights. Oh, you weren't in. Just sit tight.
Red light. Who red lighted?
Look up. Okay, just stay right there. Go ahead and drive that car off the track. Oh, just picked it up. All right, go ahead and stage your car. By the way, guys, during eliminations, burps on the starting line will get you DQ'd today. Traditional RC DRL drivers, we give you a chance, not this weekend. You burp on the starting line. Once you come up, you are DQ'd. Driver, instant green, watch them.
Oh, yeah, that's 60 foot. Old girl might get him. Old girl that just beat that other girl, I'll put her against him. She cutting that light though. Let's see. My boy say get a car. Oh hell yeah, I just got her, but it looks lit. Man, listen, yeah, man, it's going down, man. We got people out here from Puerto Rico, Florida, Oklahoma, Fort Worth, Missouri. Man, it's going down, man. Got my boy Gavin here.
Driver, watch the lights.
Ooh, what do you think? God dang, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. See, these, man, him and him. Y'all remember, I already remember that BMF crew. They fast, y'all. Watch him and him.
Yeah, they're fast. They're definitely fast. Like I said, guys, we're not purposely not announcing test and tune times, but during elimination runs, we will. Normally we run.
Yeah, it's cool to share the stream on social. You can share it everywhere.
Lanes will be assigned for your first round.
Everybody, y'all go ahead and share the stream, man. I don't even be knowing if I post it. I mean, I supposed to, but I don't be knowing where y'all can be sharing it to. I be thinking Twitch people is stuck on Twitch. But if you ain't, ooh, left lane hold.